Aquaba to the math classroom. If you are new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe. Our lesson today is a continuation on the properties of operations. If you've not seen or watched the lesson on the commutative property and associative property of addition, the link is provided in the description, so kindly do so. Our lesson today, we are still looking at the associative property, the law of multiplication. If I have three rational numbers, A, B, and C, we are saying regardless of how the numbers are grouped using parentheses or brackets, the results are what? Equal. So, A times, if I group B and C and multiply first before multiplying by A, it's equal to grouping A and B first, then we multiply by what? C. So let's take an example. If I have A to be equal to 5, B to be equal to 3, and C to be equal to 2, we would want to find out whether multiplication is associative. So let's look at it. For the left hand side, A, so I have A times B times what? C. Let's look at it. What is A? A is what? 5 times B times C is what? 3 times what? 2. So this is what? 5 times, we multiply 3 times 2 first to get what? 6. 5 times 6 is what? 30. Let's look at the right hand side where I have A times B first. I group that first, then multiply by what? C. So what do I have? 5 times 3 times what? 2. So 5 times 3 is what? 15 times what? 2. Good. If I multiply 15 times 2, what do I have? I have what? 30. So what do you realize? You realize that the left hand side is equal to what? Our right hand side. So therefore we can say that multiplication of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers is what? Associative. It's associative. Associative. Let's try another example. So let's take an example. So for example, let's say for example, I have A to be equal to 4, B to be equal to 9, and C to be equal to what? 5. We want to check if what? Multiplication of rational numbers is what? Associative. What does it mean? It means I have A. So we have A so I have A times what? B times what? C. We are saying it's equal to what? A times, we group B and we group, this time we are grouping A and what? B. So A times what? B times what? C. Let's solve for the left hand side. I have A is what? 4 times B is what? 9 times what? 5. So what do we have? We have 4 here times 9 times 5 is what? 45. So times what? 45. 45, which is equal to 4 times 45 is what? 100 and what? 80. Let's look at the other side. A times B, 4. So I have 4 times what? 9 times what? 5. So this is what? 4 times 9 is what? 36 times what? 5. 36 times 5 is what? What did you get? You get the same result. That is what? 180. So you realize that multiplication here is what? Associative. Thank you. Until our next lesson, kindly don't forget to do what? Work examples on your own. Share among your network as well. Medamase.